So this is one that we had to buy due to our new little puppy. Buddy seems to shed a lot. This is a lint remover. It's a pure copper head, so it guarantees a long service life, and you can easily remove pet hair, crumbs, lint, etc. without leaving any sticky residues, because it's just, you know, a remover. There's no sticky stuff on it. So this is the box that it came in. We did order this ourselves. The company did not send this to me. So take it out of here. So you can see copper there. Feels pretty cool. There's no blades or anything, so it's not going to hurt you, but essentially you just kind of run it along your carpet and you'll see it pull up dog hair that you won't even know you had. It is nice stainless steel here, and then a nice wooden handle. So let's go out to our living room where we're going to need this on our rug, and we'll show you exactly how this works. All right, so here it is in action. Ooh. Look at that line.
That's crazy.
Buddy, you shed a lot. I mean, just one swipe and it's there. This thing is well worth it.